Right, so we have over 150 soldiers, contractors, and civilians that are emplacing the THAAD system in support of the U.S. commitment to NATO and the Aegis Ashore system here in Romania. This rural mission is incredibly important. All of our soldiers recognize the importance of it and the strategic impact that we're having. It's always great because the Army always says, "Go Army, beat Navy," but in this case we really have to work together and get over some of those nice little those rivalries that we have. But the Navy's been absolutely fantastic in our reception, and they've been incredible hosts. So over a matter of weeks, we were able to get our system prepared, ship it, and then arrive here in country. Since then, we've worked hand in hand with both the Navy, some Air Force, and then Army across the globe, different units, higher commands from all over across Europe in order to make this happen. Yeah, so the actual ground movement was the largest THAAD convoy, land convoy in the history. So that was something that took a lot of coordination to conduct. The Romanians were heavily involved with that, US Army personnel, and then of course from several units, and then our soldiers here as well. That mission went incredibly well. It was near flawless. It was a long convoy, over 400 kilometers, but definitely something that the soldiers are proud of. We've received overwhelming support, and this mission could not have been possible without the myriad of civilians, contractors, and soldiers across not only Europe, but also back at Forcecom, Transcom, and help getting us here. And then as I previously stated, the Navy's been absolutely fantastic.
I'm the subject matter expert on providing maintaining the links, which is our lifeline to providing situational awareness to the upper echelon, and so they can view what we see. So just integrating inside the Ballistic Missile Defense architecture. I'm instrumental in relaying early warning information. It's a team effort, and we all have our own individual roles. I was very excited because I knew it was serious. I knew it was real world. This wasn't a game. And I've never been to Romania. I've never even been to Europe, so that I got to, say, check that off the bucket list. So overall, bittersweet leaving home, but it's a great opportunity. But between great leadership, willing soldiers, and everybody just being focused, we got through a lot of things. I learned an absolute ton. And honestly, without some of the people, I don't think this would have went nearly half as smooth. So this is the THAAD radar system integrated with THAAD launchers. Basically, it's a very powerful radar system, very powerful interceptors, and we have some quite unique and amazing capabilities inside the Ballistic Missile Defense architecture that only THAAD can provide. 100%, I want to see Transylvania. If I see one thing, it's Dracula's castle. We had tremendous support getting out the door through the family members, the soldiers that could not make it with us, all the people from Fort Hood, 69th Brigade, and especially Bravo 62 THAAD. I'd like to thank them all, because without them, this mission could not have happened nearly as smoothly.